Alright, let's dive into becoming a window expert using run commands. The Windows Run dialog, accessible by pressing Win+R, is a powerful tool for quickly launching applications, opening folders, accessing system utilities, and performing various tasks. Here's a structured breakdown of common and useful run commands, categorized for clarity. Starting with the MS Edge browser. Press the Windows key +R on your keyboard. To launch Edge, simply type msedge in the Run dialog box. To open Edge in private mode, type msedge in private. An Edge private window will appear. Next, let's look at some Office applications. To launch Excel, type Excel. Excel window will open. To launch Word, type WinWord. Opens MS Word. To launch PowerPoint, type PowerPNT. PowerPoint window will appear. Now let's move on to some other applications. To launch Chrome, type Chrome. To open any drive, type drive name, for example, D: in the Run dialog box. This will open the D drive in File Explorer. To launch the command prompt, type cmd in the Run dialog box. This will open the command prompt in the default directory. To launch the calculator, type calc in the Run dialog box. This will open the calculator application. To open YouTube, type https://youtube.com in the Run dialog box. This will open YouTube in the default web browser.